beauties, welcome back to my channel once again. And if you're here for the first time, hi, I'm Sarvi and I do make skincare reviews. And if you're already there, welcome back. And you read the title, today is one more toner from the Korean brand I Am From. Yes, it's I Am From, very unique name. And this is the product. As you see, I Am From, the rice toner, quite raved about. I had heard about it from a lot of YouTubers and I wanted to try out this product. But yeah, the price was too high. This is a 150 ml bottle and recently the packaging is of plastic. Earlier it was of glass. And I'll tell you why the plastic packaging is better than the glass bottle packaging. So this comes in a carton like so, like this, and a quite sturdy packaging. Now, why it comes in a kind of plastic, why I Am From has changed it is, this is a biphased toner. It means it has oil and water mix. So above it is, so we need to shake it while using it. So it happens that while shaking it may drop or fall. So yeah, this is a convenient packaging. So talking about the product itself, I will show you the consistency and leave the timestamps down below. So this has rice extract at a very high percentage of 77.78%. That's quite high, and no bad ingredients, good ingredients whatsoever. It is acne safe too and does not contain any fragrance, and you can use it above 15 years. A very beautiful toner. I will compare it. I'll show you and talk about the Rovectin and other toners, which is better. Please keep on watching. Okay, so first and foremost, this is the bottle. Let us open, and this comes in a packaging like this. So you can drop it down. Like I prefer to use my own hand itself. You may go ahead with a cotton pad, more wastage of product. So first of all, I will show this. This is kind of a consistency like this, as you can see, very watery. Okay, like this. Now this is very hydrating as what I felt rather than the Rovectin one. I felt this one is more hydrating, but my oily beauties, maybe you will find it a little oily, but it's fine for the very dry days. Let me apply it on my skin and show it. And as always, I say I have no makeup on my skin whatsoever. Let us try it on my skin. I directly pour like this. It's, kind of easier. And then I just pat it in pat motions. I'll pat it in. Okay. Yeah, this goes on smoothly, and sorry for if there's any background noise. It's been a busy day all around today, so please pardon me for that if you get any of it. So that's it, and don't forget your neck region also. So this product, let me again show it to you. That is the consistency. You can take it on your hand, pat it, and you can, or what I do is to save it from, falling down. It's not so runny, it's a little bit thicker. So I directly do this and apply it. It's really good. And if you have, dry patches, it's really good. Yeah. And now talking about the quantity, 150 ml. So if I am talking about the Rovectin, I will link down below this. I have reviewed the Rovectin, another skin Korean brand, so of the same size. Now this has a watery consistency, not fully water, little thicker in viscosity. I linked it down below. You can watch my review. And can you see the snail mucin is 100 ml, so a little bit smaller. So this is a kind of in between a toner and the essence, the snail mucin Cosrx one. This is a treatment lotion or a toner. In Korea, the lotion means toner itself. So these two are toners which I'm currently using. This I will use when my skin needs a little tad bit more hydration, and this is applicable for all skin types. For my oily people, maybe you can give it a miss, but you can keep it for those very dry wintry days and worth a try because it has brightening properties of rice also. This has, as I said, Oryza sativa. Let me read the ingredients from the background, from the carton box itself. So this has no fragrance, no masking agents, Oryza sativa rice extract this has. So next, I will not read all the ingredients. I will link it down below. So this has adenosine, cellulose gum and hexadiol, and I cannot see any ingredients which can be irritating to the skin. Yes. So what I would suggest, a thumbs up. When I give double thumbs up, it's a product I like, but a little bit less than this, because this for everyone and this, for more dry skin, drier counterpart, so skin a little more dry. But surely if you're getting it for 700 to 800, 750 to around 800 rupees, then give it a try. This is available on Beauty Burn. And yeah, I am very very happy. These toners, like, I don't like those very watery toners like the Keep Cool ones. No, little bit of viscosity, a little bit of thickness. And you may avoid a toner, but what I would suggest, we need a toner. It acts as a bridge between after your face wash, and so that it can take the ingredients of your moisturizer or any active ingredients which you are using. It just sits beautifully, and it just acts as a bridge, and takes the moisture, the moisturizer ingredients much more better. If your face wash is level is high, the pH is quite high, then it also sets your skin and maintains the pH balance of your skin. With that being said, yeah, so a thumbs up to this. Definitely, for once, give it a try. That I would request all of you. And a very, very nice one. And not to forget, if you want more such product reviews, for example, they have a Sika range, any other Godal, any other Korean skincare brand you want me to try, people, please comment down below. Yeah, you can also DM me, and yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I promise you, you will get reviews of new products which you will be benefited of. Till then, take care, see you soon, and a happy smile. Bye.